What's going on? Right now, the internet is going crazy about OpenClaw and how to set up OpenClaw and how to do it. And I'll share a story with you. As someone that sent me an email and they want to set up OpenClaw for me, and I thought about it for about 30 seconds. OpenClaw for me is a no. I don't have a bunch of repetitive tasks or things I have to do. And for me, YouTube creation, writing emails, and this is one of the things. Emails have to be specifically written. They have to be specifically written. And I was just sitting there like, I really have no use cases for OpenClaw. None whatsoever. And if I had a business where I got a lot of emails, I had a lot of repetitive tasks, yes, OpenClaw would make a huge difference in my business. But OpenClaw just doesn't work for me. And this is one of the things I'm beginning to really see. There's a lot of people who are literally talking about OpenClaw, using it, and there are kids who are installing OpenClaw on people's computers. Let me talk about that business model. That business model is going to last maybe 3 to 4 more months, and then it's going, because this is what's going to happen. Someone's going to develop an app or a software. Boom, you log in, you set up your OpenClaw, and it starts cutting. That's coming. That's coming. So this business of installing OpenClaw into people's computers is a short-lived thing. Now, if you were to get into it like right now, you might be able to make 100K or 200K right now. But because technology. All right, let's talk about the books. This book right here is, most people pick the wrong business, How to Discover the Right Business for You. That's what that book's about. We got a sale going on, the Money Management Kitty sale, Savage Money Master Your Finances, Unmasking the Investment Lie, the Motherfucker Principle, and the Money Management course. We got that going on as well. And let's get into it. The Profitable Mom, how you can make money as a stay-at-home mom or single mother. Got that book going on. Then we've got this guy, Savage Finance, the Savage Lawsuit, how to file, win, and collect without a lawyer, how to set up your lawsuit. We got the Motherfucker Principle. You can get that really cheaply. It's $1. And then we have this book, very powerful book, Unlock the Secrets of Making Millions with a Small YouTube Channel. Then we have Uncover the Investment Lie, why so many people tell you invest without giving you the full truth. Before You Say I Do, Discover the Secrets of a Lasting Marriage. The conversation you need to have with your wife before you get married. Then we have Savage Finance, Savage Money, Unlock the Secrets of Aggressive Money Management. Then we have the Sales Guide, Mastering Targeted Sales. Then we've got 2 more books. Permissionless Management, How to Hire People. And then we have Permissionless Wealth, Build Multiple Businesses at the Same Time. So currently these books will be on sale, so look for the price adjustment and you go ahead and get in there now. It's itself, right? So one of the things that I'm seeing here, and this is another thing, literally I can go to my email inbox and there's like 150 people who want to talk, right? They want to get on a Zoom call and discuss things. But every time I mention the word payment, they disappear. So this tells me something. Fundamentally, they're not sure, and this is a really, really big issue, and I'm going to address it today in the 3 o'clock training. You have got to nail down what you want to do. Because when people just want to kind of push and talk and throw ideals in the air and all this other stuff, they have not made a firm commitment to what they want to do. They haven't. So that's, as long as you stay in that state of, well, I'm thinking about doing this, I'm thinking about doing that, I'm thinking, no money's coming into your life. None whatsoever. And I sent an email talking about, like, why did my storage auction book work? Number one, the YouTube channel was about storage auctions. The blog was about storage auctions. The book was about storage auctions. You gotta see? And this is one of the things that I talk to a lot of people who have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ideals of things they want to do, right? Until they actually make a commitment to one of those ideals, no money's coming. None. Not a dime is coming. And like I said, this is what I'm going to do in my 3 o'clock training. And once again, if you didn't know about 3 o'clock training, we'll be talking about sales. And the link will be below for you to get the 3 o'clock training. But here's the big issue that I consistently see with people. This lack of doing the research to figure out what's the best thing for you to do. That's one of the biggest issues. And as long as you stay in that frame of, I don't know what I want to do, or keep jumping, like, this is one of the things I know about AI. You must use AI a lot to understand it. I'll tell you a story. I was using ChatGPT so much, it developed a personality. Because I noticed one day, and it was like, dude, I was like, where did that come from? It started speaking to me in a different way. And this came from my heavy usage. Let me go ahead and define heavy usage. 40, 50 hours a week, all the time, daily inputs, talking about it. And when you use ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, or DeepSeek, all of this starts to develop a personality. And this is one of the things about Open Claude that so many people like. You could program it to give it a personality where it responds to you in a witty or funny way. And I think that's one of the biggest drivers of it. But typically, one of the biggest issues that happens is that people do not understand business and the layers of business. Because like I said, someone, good offer, it was very nice. Hey, I can set this up for you. I can set up OpenClaw for you. I don't really need OpenClaw for my business. Not this business model. Now, if I was to get into something else, I may very well need OpenClaw. And I figured out a way how to sign up for OpenClaw and get it, because here's the thing. You gotta be really careful with OpenClaw. You cannot set it up on your main computer, because because this is the thing. This pollen, is rough. Once you give it control, OpenClaw will start doing stuff on your computer and you may be unaware what it's doing. So you want to keep OpenClaw in a container. But typically, this is one of the biggest things that I see happening right now. And people are really seduced and wooed by technology. Like right now, everyone is like losing their mind about OpenClaw. It can do all these things. It can run this stuff. You can talk to it. You can program it, right? And the thing that the people who are making money with OpenClaw are not folks who are using OpenClaw. The people who are making money with OpenClaw are the people who are installing OpenClaw right now. There was this guy, he did this, and he signed up for OpenClaw. He was like, there's various plans, because he got on the $200 a month, I think, Anthropic Claude model. And then he said, hey, build me a business, because his goal was to create income to pay for the system. And the first thing failed. They went to Fiverr and did some stuff and it just didn't work out. Then he went to TikTok and he was like, hey, this is Claude. And he introduced, I think it was Anthony. I think it was the name of his OpenAI. Introduced it and talked to it, and they saw how witty it was. And people start, hey, I want that. I want that. I want that. I want that. And then he literally made $8,632 in 13 days. But here's the thing. It's not all profit. He's got $2,500 a month in operating expenses. Now, this is the issue that I saw with it. People can sign up and they have unlimited bandwidth. That's not going to work in this environment. You give people, oh, I can sign up for this and I get to do, you're going to have people who will literally rob this guy using tokens. Because this is the thing. When you use a token, if you use the most advanced token, that's going to be the most expensive. And you could literally be spending $100, $200, $300 a day if you don't understand what you're doing. And this is why these people are making so much money setting up OpenClaw, because there's layers to it. It's like setting it up, giving it permissions and all this other stuff. But my current business model doesn't need OpenClaw. It just doesn't, because my current business model is somewhat complex. However, this is one of the things that I'm seeing, and a lot of people have been talking about the corporate citizen program. And one of the things that I'm going to do is open this up, and I'm going to put a link below for people who want the corporate citizen thing. Corporate citizen, holding company set up, operating company set up, explain to you how all this works and set that up. So I'm going to put a link down below and what we can do to go ahead and to put you in a position where you can get your holding company set up. Because one of the things I've been doing, and because when I was doing the jewelry business, I was working like 7 days a week, and I have been catching up on my sleep. And literally today I had some stuff to do downtown, and now I'm actually at work. But one of the things I'm going to do is put this down, this link, where you can go ahead and get your corporate citizenship set up. Let's see, today is Tuesday. So we will get this set up next week. Because I have to look at my calendar, because I have a bunch of calls on my calendar, and I will have to see what's available. But once again, let me look at that. Let's see. Zoom. Okay, did not have a meeting today. Awesome. Okay, cool. Just checking. So we're gonna put that down below, and one of the things that I am seeing is right now, with this OpenClaw thing, you're going to have a lot of stuff that's going to happen in the next few months. But this is your announcement. In 2 to 3 months, someone's going to set it up where you could just sign in the app, sign up into it, give it permissions, and OpenClaw will work just like that. This is coming because it's so hot. And it's just part of the technology chain pipeline. But seriously, today at 3, and the time is, we'll be talking about sales. And this right here is one of the biggest issues. I don't want to do that. I don't want to set up a YouTube channel. I don't want to do sales. You're looking for something easy, significant, and slick that you can make a lot of money. When you find that thing, let me know, because I don't have any of that stuff. But if you're willing to devote yourself and spend some energy and time working on setting up your stuff, you can build a business that makes 6 figures this year starting from scratch. So let me know your thoughts and opinions, and I'll put the links below to the training, and I'll put the links below to the corporate citizen setup. And what I'll do, let's see, I'll probably do it as a special. I'll do it as a special, and we will see who takes advantage of it today. All right, that's all I got. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.